Hi guys, so today I will show you how to make a paper basket. So for this I am taking this sheet size, and the size of this is 12 by 5 centimeters. So when I have this, I will just fold it like this, one fold, and fold it twice like this, and take the middle of this now and fold it like this. Then again, taking the middle, take one side first and do like this, fold it here, and fold the next also, the other one, like this. And now when you open it, it comes out like this. So this. So the next thing to do is, I have this similar, I have made this the same pattern followed in this as well, and there are others as well. So I have made with the same pattern that I have showed you. The method is the same. So take the one and another and just put it inside it like this. To make it like this. So now it's like this. After this, I will take other one and fold it again, and it will go from here. Let me take some thin thing so that it is easily opened. This is very tiny, so if it's open, it makes the work easier. So just take this one and take the other and let it go inside it. And then you can open this one again, and this one again, and take the other one, fold it again nicely and just put it inside it. I can take something like a pencil, then it will be opened properly. It will be opened fully. Now it's very easy for me to do like this. Let's put it inside, and this thing also inside, and it's done. So basically you have to follow this, just continue like this. So now I have done this, then the next thing from here will go, the next strip. So just open with a pencil or a pen or anything, and then just take this one strip and take it inside it, and take the other side as well, just take it inside it like this and just push it now to move it here, and as you can see it went here, so we have to move down now. So take the next, open the space that you have and just take it down now like this. And now this one will go like there. Just take a pencil, open the spaces that you have, take this with you, the next strip, and just put it inside it. So here it went. So like this, we have to make a long strip like this one, and we have to make 3 like this, 1, 2 and 3, and each line has 26 strips. That one strip that I showed you, that one, so this has 26 in each one of them. So when it's done, when all of 3 are made, then we need to close it. Take one by one with your hands and just close it like this. This will just go in, this will just go in inside this one, and it will be locked in like this. It will be closed now and it will be shown like this. I will take the next one, and the same thing will follow here also. Just put it inside this. Just press it inside to make sure the whole thing goes in and our work is done. So both are done and it will look like this. So I will take the last one, and the same thing here also. Here this will go inside this one. So I will just take a pencil to open these spaces so that will go easily. And it went. Now it will look like this. So after we are done with the closing thing, just put one on top of the other like this, and then I will pick it up and show to you. So it's not properly closed, so you can see right now. I will close it and will show you how to close it, how to lock it more properly. Let me lock it once again, and then I will show you that part. But first I need to fix its base. So take any one of them with you, any one. So I'm taking this one, and then I have this ready. The circle I have cut and its diameter is 12 centimeters. I have already cut to its size. The diameter of circle is 12 centimeters. So what I need to do now, just make tiny light points like this one, tiny little points with a pencil. It's not so dark, so a tiny little dot. So I will just cut through here, here, here and here. On all four sides. Like this. And now just take glue with you and just glue this outer area like this. This also, this one, glue like this. And then take this part and switch the glue part here towards the back and just put inside it now, one by one, step by step, taking the opposite sides. Let me fix this first and then I will show you. So step by step, just take this, take this thing inside, take this round paper sheet inside and just press it so that it will stick to it. Do like this on all the sides. And when you have done this thing, the back will look like this. So now to fix and join from the sides, as its base is done, so to fix from the sides I have this sheet ready and its size is 23 by 7 centimeters. I have already cut into this size, 23 into 7 centimeters. And now just take glue and put glue on the entire thing. Any one side, this side or this side, it doesn't matter, any one. Just put entirely just glue it, the whole thing. And from here you can just put glue, because we need to fix from the sides. That way we can use this basket for our purpose. So just do like this. And now it's done. Just do a little bit like this so that it will go in properly. And now you can open it when this thing is in this basket. Then you can just open it so that this sheet of glue paper will support this. It will support the sides and it will not break. in any way. Spread it more. As much as it goes, just spread it and spread it evenly. And just push it, press it inside so that it will stick to the sides. And now it is shown like this, and from here, from the sides, now it's strong. And you can keep your stuffs inside it. You can put your small stuffs inside it like these ones, so it will be secured in this, like these small stuffs. Or anything that you want to put in it. It's up to you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos, smash the like button. Please comment also. And please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics. And to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadiq's World. Bye bye.